Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to give any image a 3D effect in Elementor. It is perfect for making your website look more modern and interactive in 2025. The best part is that you don't need any coding skills, you just need a few simple steps. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here in the WP admin dashboard of your WordPress. Over here, click on the option of posts, then select the option of all posts. Over here, you will see the list of all of the posts and the pages that are available on your website. So you need to select that particular page which you want to add it with the help of Elementor. Over here in the top, you will see the option of add it with Elementor. So you need to simply click on it. Then you will be landed here on this type of page. So this is basically the Elementor which you are using. Now click on the option of content. Then you need to simply upload that particular image here which you want to basically make in 3D. If you are not able to see this particular widget over here, you can first of all click on the option of add elements and then add the image widget. After that, you need to upload the photograph. Now this is the photograph that I have added over here. Once this step is done, click on the option of style in the top left hand corner. Now you need to simply scroll down and try to find the option of hover. So inside the hover animation, you can just simply select the hover animation. Click on this drop down menu and you can either select grow or pop would also be best for it. So it should look something like this, as you can see over here. Now these are going to give an instant 3D like feel when you hover over it. So still in the style tab, you can also select the option of box shadow. So here in the box shadow option, you can just add the shadows over here. After that, you can adjust that shadow in order to make it more cool. Now I'm currently using Elementor's free version, but if you are using the pro version, you can also add more effects on top of it. So if you have it, you can definitely use that. Afterwards, click on the publish option in the top right hand corner of the screen and you are done. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.